Okay, so I'm going to show you really quick a demonstration of what you are going to do on your iPad, but I want you to watch this first, and I promise you you will get a chance to do it yourself. This will take maybe a couple minutes, and then you will get the rest of class to play around and make your own portrait in the style of Pablo Picasso. When you turn on your iPad, which I will show you in a second in case you've never turned one on before, you're going to get a screen, we're going to unlock it, and then I will show you where to look for a certain picture. This is the picture you are going to look for. It's called an icon, and it opens up Safari, which is your web browser. When you open it up, you're going to get the internet, which you've all used before. When you get there, you're going to get a little keyboard when you try to type in the web address up here. Mine's going to look a little different than yours because I'm using my computer at home and you're using an iPad, but it's the same thing. So up here, when you click on that, you're going to get a keyboard, but I'm going to use my actual keyboard, and you are going to type in www.picassohead.com. And that's a lot to remember and a lot to spell, so I have it on a piece of paper for you, and I will show it to you in a second also. But for now, while you're watching, you're just going to go to www.picassohead.com, and you will get a screen that looks like this. On the bottom, I want you to scroll down, and you're going to click this red button that says Create Your Own Picasso Head, and you will get a page that looks like this. And from here is where you are going to make your artwork. It's pretty simple, but everyone's going to end up with something different, which is what I like about it. Over here on the left is what you can choose from to make your portrait. We have faces, eyes, noses, lips, ears, eyebrows, hair, abstracts, which is just some extra fun shapes, and then your signature, which I will tell you what to do in 1 second. So let's just, for example, start with faces. You can pick any of these faces that you like. I'll just go with this one for now. It says drag to the canvas, so all you do is pick it and just drag it over there. These are your choices you could do with that. You could change the color. Let's pretend I want it maybe this magenta color. You pick a color using this arrow into this section and just click OK. OK. If you want to make it bigger, this is the scale up button. All you do is press your finger down on it. If you want to make it smaller, same thing. That's as big as it probably gets. Rotate means it turns, so you can always look at the arrow. So if you want to spin it, it spins around like that. If you want to, this is for when you start to do your layers. If you want to change it and flip it to the other side, click flip, and it just flips it from left to right. And if you don't like that, you can always hit delete. So I'm going to make a face really quick, and then I'll show you a couple things again what some other buttons do. So let's pretend I want this face. I'm going to make it bigger, maybe put it in the middle of my paper. And then I'm going to make it blue. And I will put some eyes on it. This eye and this eye. Now let's pretend I wanted to change the color of this eye. I have to click on that because right now everything was selected. So I'm going to click specifically on that eye. And I'm going to change the color. Pick maybe yellow. And then you could see that eye changed its color. And then I will put a nose right there. Make that a little bit bigger. And change the color of the nose. See that eye is selected, so you have to click the nose if you want to change the color of the nose to maybe a lighter blue. Okay. And ears. One right there. Let's make it orange. And let's do another ear. So see, I'm going to make that bigger. How right now it's on top of everything. oops. If I wanted to, if I can click on it, if I wanted to bring it backward, I just click the send backward button, and now that other ear is on top of it. Okay. Let's just put some hair on for fun. This looks like a fun one. I will rotate it a little, make it even bigger, and I will make that, how about red? Okay. I like what I see, and you know, I'm all happy with it. What you're going to do at the very end of this class is we are going to add a signature. So after you've played around with all these choices, you're going to click signature, and you're going to type your name. And click OK. And then there you go. There is your gallery. If we have enough time, I will show you how to save it and email it to me, and then maybe I can print it out, but we'll see how much time we have left, okay? For now, I'm going to let you turn on your iPads, and I will help you get started. And this is the web address that we're going to click on or get to. And you also have your piece of paper that you can use to look at also. That's probably going to be the longest part, is typing all those letters. But if you have any questions, of course I will be around to help you, but I think you should be able to figure it out because you guys are a smart group of kids, and we should all be able to make some cool looking portraits.